Me and you are hip-hop soldiers from Berkeley. That's alright, I don't need to wear a fucking jersey to know that I'm worthy. And I'm perjury like surgery. Oh my god, I'm killing the rap game like it's an emergency. It's fucking urgency. The police, they know that I will be deceased because I'm rising the rap game. I don't need bread, I need some yeast. Because they know that I will eat the shit up like a buffet feast. So they know that their ghost and resurrection will be deceased. We got it. Like a lethal weapon, I'm stacking with protection. They know that I'm staying harder than the fucking thing's protection. Erection, infection, syphilis like infection. That's alright, I'm old school all day, good like Stetson. Who needs the medicine? I'm Thomas Edison. I'm at the fucking door, just let us in. I got my lettuce in my medicine, cause I'm a sick fucking psychic. They know that I'm coming through. I see these MC's future, I'm not a psychic, but I'm on my Jesus Christ shit. The game is dark, but I'm like white. I'm gonna light it, ignite it, fight it. You know it's like Spider-Man, Peter Parker, BET. I don't need no fucking 106 and Parker. Send me hip-hop as a marker.
Before slash him up a back like a cobra. Venomous living is all out hip-hop soldier. All for Dozy. Blindly choose to go ahead and do something they ain't supposed to. And that's this us. So let's discuss about not gonna detract to misjudge us. Cause maximally, that's for wisdom in the or the math the maximum, not minimally. And the body I could win against me, but not a lyrical war. Just ask Dozy, this is the end of my lyrical sword. Yeah, my lyrics is like the Matrix fighting without the machine. My flow blows through just like a nuke, no dies that I bleed. The how it seems, cause yo, really it's like that. That's how I beat to every rapper to strike back. No harm in me, your arm in me, you'll need help. No bother to me, I'm stronger. See, I'm by myself. Just smithereens I blow. Winter it seems when I flow. But come summertime's 1,000 degrees for real, so show.
The wheels don't show because I got these lyrics and they do-si-do. The way that I'm from Nebraska, that I provoke the hoes and know that I'm Dio because I'm Neil. Because I'm coming with the holy deal like a Vander fucking Holyfield. They know that I'm Vic Mackey, got the FX with the shield. So you know we're coming like Wolverine. I got the steel because I got these girls and they want to get the eel. But that's alright because I'll get a uterus and make it heal. But that's a real one. Like any given Sunday like Billy Beeman. I'm kicking them like a demon. They're jackasses so they're going to kick their heads in the hell like Beeman. The smartest thing to come out of the rap game was our fucking semen. I got casuals, everything around me and we got them creaming. And they know like the devil's balls and fucking steaming. It's just because the way that I flip these words like a contortionist, I'll put fucking whack MCs on the abortion list. And you know what's sick as a clinic. Me and this dude are rapping, the hip hop gang, we're up in it. So I gotta go ahead, my rhymes are psycho sick. I bit this fucking dog's head up like a Michael Vick. Me and this dude are rolling, controlling, gonna see it with the parole. And they know that I'm fucking lyrics are controlling, so I gotta stop. You know they bounce off me, I snap on them, she's like a Robo-shot, a Photoshop, like Robocop. So I got a kid, I gotta spit, so MCs know that I'm gonna split it like a wig.
When I get him, I won't hit him with the rhythm. Forget punchlines, metaphors, or what I spit them. I am just here informing that I'll get rid of them. I have them all screaming, oh my God, look what he did to him. God forgive me, I know you know I'm about to sin. Stopping what hasn't been done, yes I know I can. Yeah, I guess you could say, I'm back at it again. Doing what you haven't done, putting them to an end. Not only with my pen, now let me add this dudes. Ready to fight, ain't no one here acting dude. Won't be for War Star, Hip Hop, forget YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, the likes and views. Check what you're writing them sheets if you're ready for beef. All talk minus facts on the records you release. You're all a bunch of John trying to call himself kings. The crown's my dog's chew toy, got marks of his teeth. Thinking you're all that, but you ain't ready for war raps. Honesty in your rap is something for sure lack. Realness and support that. Laying on track, I'm for that. I found more facts that expose y'all passion, I'm for that.
Reality, I got technicality, scientifical, hieroglyphical principalities in my reality, and I'm taking them out ice cold, Sub-Zero, where's the fatality? They got the fucking game twisted, where's their reality? I'm like Chang Tu-Sung, and they know that I get textile, spitting in their face, acid flows like I'm reptile, and they know that I'm coming through like the Gears of War, because MCs don't even know my fucking style is galore. MCs don't want to be creative, they think it's a chore. I hear this fucking legal shit, I think it is a chore. They're sleeping on my pillow, fucking rhymes like it's a snore, but that's alright, I saw their microphone, their notebook is a board, snore. With the guitarists, they know that I'm dumping like Forrest because they're malnourished, malnutrition. I got many casualties out of reality. They know it's scientific, they're pyramid. They can't transcend my style like hieroglyphics. Who wants to get scientific with the technical? I'm canning MCs up like some fucking vegetables. That's the go. Twitter, they can sit on my Facebook. I will slap the shit out of MySpace with just one look.
No more fresh.
Yeah, okay.
Appreciate you recording.
Yeah, not a problem. What's your name?
Don Romo.
Don
Stage name, The Protector.
Protector. You got Facebook, Instagram, any of that?
Just on Facebook. I'm barely getting my shit up. So.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name?
My name is Nate. Yeah. How you doing, man? Yeah. I'm just here for the concert, man. I'm just a consumer.
Yeah. I'm on Facebook, bro. I got videos out on YouTube
right now.
Yeah.